Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Shreya and this video is going to be a little different and also very much fun because I have decided to make a few changes on my white door. So I have been seeing all these Pinterest walls and Polaroid walls and I think it looks pretty cool and I wanted something similar. At the same time, I also wanted these pictures to have some sort of relevance in my life, so I thought let's combine a Polaroid wall with a vision board. So for those who don't know, vision board is basically a collage of images, set of images, something that inspires you, something that motivates you. Basically, it's your goals, your aspirations, and if you see it every day, it's like you're manifesting it, and also you would want to work on it. So that's the idea. Now let me tell you where I got my Polaroids from because that was the tricky part. So I don't have a printer and I went to the market. मैंने बहुत पूछा shops में जाके that what is the price for their Polaroids, and they told me that one Polaroid would cost me like 25 rupees or 10 rupees minimum. And I think 25 rupees for one Polaroid is too much. And then I went online and I found this store called Snap Store. तो इसका एक ऐप भी है and I think they also have a website. I use the app so I know about the app. So I got my Polaroids from the Snap store and so I got 36 Polaroids for rupees 330 and this also includes the delivery charges. So I think it's a pretty good deal because अगर मैं market से निकलवाती तो one Polaroid is for 25 rupees and 25 into 36 is 900 and we are on a budget, so that's not happening. Out of these, 24 are in medium size and 12 are in small size. Okay, now let me show you the Polaroids. Now I'm not going to specify which one is a part of my vision board and which one is the aesthetic one because I want to keep it that way. So you can see how pretty all of it looks. So I downloaded all these pictures from Pinterest. So if you see each of the Polaroids, the quality is really very great. It's not normal paper, it's some different material. I don't know exactly इसको क्या बोलेंगे, but जो भी है, it's perfect. So now that we are done with this, I'll show you how the minis are. It is the same quality, but size में difference है. If this is 4x4, that one is 3x3. So this was it for today's video, guys. If you liked watching it and if you liked the transformation, let me know in the comments down below. And the link for the Snap store will be in my description. So if you want something like this, you can check it out. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye!